That combine's down for a while. I think someone's on the road to help us out. There's metal everywhere in this corner. And that's what did it. Cleaned it up as much as we could, but there's always stuff still in here. There's an old yard that maybe should have been left an old yard. Hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully it's not too long that this combine is down. Just go with one for now. Don't see anything in these 1250s. Oh, that's a big tire. We'll still get this bag filled eventually, even with the one combine. There's almost 10,000 bushels in there. I had another bag loaded on my truck. I don't know if we'll get that far. Dad's chopping here in front of me. And I guess we'll just wait and see if help arrives for that guy.
We'll be lucky and maybe we'll be going still today with that one at probably supper time or something.
Maybe. Hope so. Help has arrived. Market Tire service truck just showed up. So let's assess the situation, see what he thinks. Tire guy's pretty sure he can just patch it. I'll unload this cart and go back there and just be in the way there for him. Smallest hole. The pitchfork went through the tread there, but then that one was more in and that one punctured it. But on the inside, it's just small. So we're gonna try to put a patch on it. Doesn't think it'll need a tube. So that's good. Our scope of repair jobs. Cleaning it up and then putting a patch on. So he's got the tire kind of off the rim and cleaned up the inside, and then is just putting like a patch on the inside, and then let it dry, and gonna be mounting it back on.
He's not gonna put a tube in it?
No, says it doesn't need it. It's like just a super small hole on the inside part.
Did he have to take the rim off?
Nope.
No, that's lucky.
Have you done one load or two loads?
We've unloaded two times. We have 2 more rounds, like 4 more rounds yet.
Okay. Use those bars to get it on the rim there, and he's filling it with air and filling it with his compound and goop. And I don't know if he's gonna bead blast it here to get it sucked up onto the rim, but he's doing good. It's almost done. Cart's gonna be full, and I'm gonna miss the good part here. Gotta go to the bag and unload the cart. Where are they? Over there. He's just filling it all with compound. It's gonna go on the rim. He's just cleaning up. Cart needs unloaded. We're gonna be rolling again. He's got her on there. Just the radio chatter. I'm going to back out of the old yard, out of the Bermuda Triangle of metal and junk. Didn't even have to take this header off. I'm in the combine now, and I'm gonna back out of here.
So what's left for folds there on that bag?
13.
Probably this cart will probably do it. Seems to me it was about, we use 6 per cart load.
Yeah, I thought something like that. So yeah, this cart will do it. Then we can change a bag in the heat.
Yeah, that'll be perfect.
Good stretch of weather here, plus 29 today and for the next few days. Just gonna check this tire again now that I moved it. I'm paranoid. Still on there. There's the mark. Should be good. Okay, let's start up. Change of plans. There was only going to be a bag and a half here, and we said screw the half, haul the rest home. We'll find room somehow, keep selling off the combine if we have to, or just bag a lot of the canola at home, the very last canola for full. So just the one bag, peeled that off, keep hauling. Supper time. Tire check. Tire check. That's the other combine. Just check it anyway. Tire check. Tire check. Check, check. Back to the Bermuda Triangle. Still is wheat here, I can't just leave it. Just go forward and back up. Freaking farmers, man. Try to gain a half acre and look what happens. We're gonna do it. We're gonna finish. I didn't think we would, based off of this morning's findings. I think we got kind of lucky. Didn't need a new tire. Didn't even need a tube. It's still on there. I'm gonna do another tire check when we leave this field. And we're off to the next area of wheat. Almost done wheat. A few more days. Tire check. Still on there. I don't know where the hole was, can't see it. And here comes the hailed wheat. All those heads on the ground. Thanks for watching. Keep your stick on the ice.